to everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from statistics of 10th class. The question is, the following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. So this is the table given. For this data, we have to draw less than O give and more than O give curves. So first I took less than O give curve table. Okay, so first the production per hectare is given what starts from 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. And here in the second column we have to write the frequencies given in the particular data question in the data in the question. Okay, sorry, 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 16. Now coming to less than table, less than Ogive curve table, what we have to get, what we will get for the less than column, you have to take the first element directly. Sorry, you have to take the upper limits of the class intervals. Okay, so what are those? 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Next, coming to cumulative frequency, the first one you have to take the same from the second onwards, the second row, from the second row onwards, what you have to do is the first one plus the second frequency. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Next, coming to second cumulative frequency plus third row frequency. 10 plus 12, 22. Next, 22 plus 24, 46. 46 plus 38, 80. 80 plus 16. Sorry. Okay, 80 plus 16, 84 plus 16, what you will get? 100. Okay, next coming to more than Ogive curve table. So same, the class intervals and the frequencies, the same you have to write. 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. And the frequencies you have to take the same: 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. Next, coming to more than, what you have to take for the more than column, you have to take the lower limits of the class interval, that is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Next, coming to cumulative frequency, this is cumulative frequency at last how much we got. Not only that, here it is given 100 farms of the village. So you have to start the cumulative frequency by 100. Okay, so the second row of the cumulative frequency, what you will get is 100 minus 2, that is 98. 98 minus 8, 90. 90 minus 12, 78. 78 minus 24, 78 minus 24, what you will get? 54. Okay, next 54 minus 38, what you will get? 14 minus 8, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, 16. Okay, okay, understood? Like this, we'll calculate the less than Ogive curve table and more than Ogive curve table. Next, coming to drawing of graph. Okay, so here class interval is from starting 50 to at last we got the highest higher limit of class interval is 80. So 50 to 80 I took on the x-axis, right, and y-axis I took the frequency starts from 5. Okay, so now let us first less than curve. Let us start from less than curve. So for every table you must take 0 as the starting one. Next coming to 2. 55 is 2. 55 is 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 55, 1, this is 1, 2. Just below the middle line. Okay, next one 60 is 10. Sixty is 10 here, exactly this point. Next 65 is 22. 65 is this is 20, and again here if you come, this is 21, this is 22. Okay, next for 70, 46. 70, 46. This is 40, 45, and 46 comes where? Here. Okay, next for 75 it is 84. 75 is 84. This is 80, 85. 84 means what you will get? Here. Okay. Next 80 is 100. 80 is this is 100. Okay, as these are curves, they are not polygons, we have to use our hand and just join the points. Okay, now plot the points. Here what? 55 comma 2, and here 60 comma 10, here 65 comma 22, this one 70 comma 46, 75, 84. Next one 75, 84. Next 84 plus 80, 100. This is 80 and 100. Okay. Now only the less than OGIV curve we have drawn. Now coming to greater than OGIV curve, plot the point and then join the points. Okay. So from starting from 50 it is there. So here 50 and the frequency is 100. So from here it starts. Okay. Next 55, 98. 55 is 98. This is 55, right? This is 95. 95. 96. 97. 98. Okay. Next 60 is 90. 60 is 90. This one. Sixty is 90. Means here. Exactly 90. 65 is 78. 65. This leave and this. 65 is 60 is 90. 65 is 78. This is 75. This is 75. 78 we have to take. This is 75. 76. 77. 78. Okay. Next 70 is 54. 70 is 54. This is 55. 54 means below this. This. Okay. 70 is 54. Next 75 is 16. 75 is 16 means this is 15 and 16 means what you will get? This is 16. Okay. So we plotted all the points for more than Ogilvy curve. Now join the points. From here you have to take. Okay. This is more than Ogilvy curve. So let us plot the points. 50, 100 and this what? 55, 98 and this one 60, 90, 65, 78, 65, 65 we didn't put, 78 here. This is 65, 78. 65, 78. Next one 70, 54. 70, 50. Sorry, this one. See here, this is the negative O curve. Sorry, less than Ogilvy curve. This is more than Ogilvy curve. I am observing this, but this is the point what we are seeing for. This point is 70, 54. 70, 54. This one. Next, the last one 75, 16, this one 75 comma 16. Okay, so let us write less than O give curve more than O give. Okay ma, like this we have to take the tables of both less than and more than, and both curves you will get in the same graph like this. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.